How to make money with Zazzle print on demand for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Zazzle and how you can start your print on demand journey on Zazzle in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Zazzle.com. And as we come over to Zazzle.com, over here, you get all the main, you could say, workings of going into the set specific things of selling on Zazzle. So in Zazzle.com, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your account setting over here. And once you come over to your account setting, obviously you can see that I'm already a member. So it's not too difficult to sign up with this. But if you don't have an account, trust me, just click on the whole sign up method and it's going to be a piece of cake to start selling on this. Okay. So make sure to verify your email. Make sure to let them know that, yeah, this is not a scam. This is not anything like that. This is an actual account. And once you verify everything about your email and stuff, you're going to be pretty much set and good to go. So once you do all of that, what's going to happen from there is you can come on this left hand side where you get all the necessary things like gifts, trending, sell, my stuff, live, explore, create, etc. So pretty basic, pretty easy things to get your head around. Now basically in this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go over to the seller section over here and you're going to click on sell. And here you can see, make money doing what you love. Here's why you should join Zazzle. It monetizes your creativity, designs, and art. You can grow your audience and brand with Zazzle customers. You can advertise your both on-site and off-site brands. With Zazzle's Name Your Royalty program, you can specify how much you make on every sale, up to, actually going to 99%. And you get to publish your design on thousands of unique customizable products, and Zazzle is does 100% of the fulfillment and customer service for you with no inventory required. So basically that walks you through the main stuff on how you can get paid. And it also says you can get paid through PayPal or an actual check if you don't have a PayPal. And you can start at no cost with no monthly fees and no tax or anything like that. So simply click on start selling today, and here you can see become a Zazzle creator by monetizing your content or creative services and creative passive income opportunities. So I'm going to simply click on sell on Zazzle. And once you do that, it basically says to open a Zazzle store, you need a valid email address to use Zazzle for sign in. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to add in your email. Now, as you can see, I've added in my actual email over here. And I'm going to, ask it to send me a validation email. Now, once it sends me a validation email, I'm going to verify my email address. And once I verify my email address that I have just validated in the new tab, what I'm going to do from there is I'm going to go ahead and actually get into the main workings of Zazzle. Okay. And, in the case, because in the start, this happened to me a lot, Zazzle took a lot of time to sending me the email. It took a lot of time in verification. So if it keeps on doing that for you, you can obviously keep on requesting it for more emails to be sent to you. Now, the second that it sends you, your actual emails, verify yourself. And once you're verified, what you're going to do from there is you can come to creating your own design. So you're going to go to sell, you're going to create your own seller central. Once you create a seller central, you can come into create over here. And as you come over to create, you can create, your blank products. You can create all the other necessary products that you want to work with. So it gives a good general idea of how all these things work. So yeah, once we go along with all of this, you should be good to go. So let's choose a blank product. Like, let's say I'm going to choose this over here. And then once you do all of that, you can choose a t-shirt. So like say I'm going to go with men's t-shirt over here. Once you go with men's t-shirt, you can actually, as you can see, unleash your creativity and work with this as easily and simply as you want. Now you get personalized custom men's t-shirt for yourself. You can add your own blank products if you want, make your own gifts, and a whole lot more. So the possibilities, as it says, are unlimited when you add your very own personal touch. So it's pretty simple with it. So let's go ahead and go with a shirt or with any design that we want to create on. And once you go over there, like let's say in our case, we're gonna go with this t-shirt. You're gonna start customizing this design. So to customize the design, you're actually gonna go ahead and choose a proper style of design over here. So we're gonna add the necessary elements and text that we need to create our design. So let's say first of all, I'm gonna come to elements, a background element, a nice little design over here. So we have this. I'm gonna give it a color. So I'm gonna go into the fill color, give it a black color over here. And then obviously comes the border color as well. I'm gonna keep that black as well. So there we go. We have black box with black borders. You're gonna come here into the icons, okay, and then you're gonna add the icon of your choice. So let's say I'm gonna add a sports icon. Let's go with this basketball icon. You're gonna fit it inside this design, okay. Make sure the design is appearing in front of you and actually looking decent. And if you can't see the design, that's because obviously the design's color is different. So there we go. So that's how it looks, and then you can actually see the design down here to see how it looks on an actual shirt and the contrary. So once you check it out over here and you like what you see, yeah, you're going to be pretty much set to go. That's how you're going to start creating your very own designs. And once you create your design, you're simply going to click on done. And here you have your design. Now, once you have a proper seller central going and, leading to start things off, you're simply going to click on sell it over here, and it's going to take you through your own seller central, take you to your shop. And once you're in your shop, that's how you can start your print on demand and on your Zazzle in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So that's the general idea of it all. So if I were to walk you through it all over again, you're going to come over to Zazzle, you're going to create an account, okay, get a plus membership for it if you want to. But this is all you're going to need in my opinion. And you can also cross-reference your design on Teespring. Teespring is a pretty incredible place that you can get your whole t-shirt and spring designs to engage for your products. These are pretty good for print on demand, so you can cross-reference these with Teespring, like you're not copying anyone's designs. And once you've cross-referenced these, sell it into your seller central, sell it for a good price, and that is how you can start making money on your Zazzle by using print on demand in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.